Hey long-distance riding lovers! Are you looking for safe and reliable travel gear? Then the Bike Tracker aluminum cases are perfect for you. They have these external hooks on the tops of all cases for the flexible expansions. Pair side cases with this foldable table and you will get a compact outdoor setup, making your journey more convenient. This is one of the functions. The top case has a soft, comfortable backrest, which gives comfort to the passengers during long rides. Remember, their comfort is a priority for us too. The installation is pretty simple and quick. Just click it and lock it. The bottom of the aluminum cases is equipped with reinforced protective corners. With the new design and wear-resistant nylon material, they provide extra protection. Now, let's take a look inside. All of them have a standard inner liner bag, protecting your things from scratches and impacts. The left case's lid has this small item organizer, perfect for storing documents, small tools, and other things. The right and top case's lids have storage nets where you can place rain gear or gloves, saving inner space for other things. All these are included with our aluminum cases, no extra fees. If you are interested into these aluminum cases, contact us and prepare yourselves for the new riding season. And of course, have a nice road.